In the bustling world of e-commerce, speed and efficiency are the names of the game. Amazon, a titan in the industry, has been at the forefront of integrating robotics into its operations. The numbers speak volumes. From a modest 350,000 robots in 2021, Amazon's robotic workforce has ballooned to an impressive 750,000 in just 3 years. This exponential growth is a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and its belief in the power of automation. At the heart of Amazon's robotics innovation hub near Boston, robotic arms named Robin and Sparrow are well designed and manufactured. These mechanical marvels are not just tools, they are a part of a grander vision to revolutionize how warehouses function. Robin and Sparrow are the silent heroes, sorting customer orders with precision and care, ensuring that each package reaches its destination. But the robotic roster doesn't end there. Enter Produce and Hercules, robots that might remind you of the familiar household robot vacuum, Roomba. These automated assistants glide across warehouse floors, moving items and containers with ease. Their contribution is invaluable, taking on the heavy lifting and monotonous tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and rewarding work. Sequoia, another robotic system, stands out for its ability to lift and sort containers, significantly reducing the physical strain on employees. This technological marvel is not just about brute strength, it's about enhancing the workplace, making it safer and more ergonomic for the human workforce. The introduction of Agility Robotics' humanoid robot, Digit, marks a new chapter in warehouse automation. Digit's human-like form and capabilities represent a leap forward in collaborative robotics, working alongside humans rather than replacing them. The impact of these robots is clear and measurable. Sequoia, for instance, has improved inventory identification and storage speeds by 75%, streamlining the order processing time by up to a quarter. This efficiency gain is not just about numbers, it's about the real, tangible benefits to the workers. With the help of these robots, incident rates at Amazon's robotics sites have seen a significant decrease, with a 15% drop in recorded incidents and an 18% reduction in lost time incidents. The narrative that robots are here to take jobs is being challenged by the reality on the ground. Amazon's experience shows that automation can create a symbiotic relationship between humans and machines. The rise of logistics robots is not confined to Amazon alone, it's a trend that's sweeping across the industry. Major logistics companies are turning to robots to address labor shortages and improve safety and efficiency. These robots are designed to perform tasks that are dull, dirty, and dangerous, the kind of work that humans are happy to hand over to their tireless mechanical counterparts. By taking on these roles, robots are enabling workers to engage in more meaningful and less physically demanding tasks.